Hi everybody, welcome to Soft Soul Yoga with Jody. And guess who we have here? Molly. Molly's going to join us and she's going to tell us that she wants some carrots. Go ahead, Molly. Tell everybody. Is that how you tell everybody? Yeah. So we're going to give her some carrots. And she is just a love bug today. She so wanted to be here and see everybody. And it is an absolutely stunning day. So let me just move this back a little. Ah! Oh, that was just a flower. And we're getting back right to the beginning of how this all started with Molly. Right, Mom? She gives kisses. She wants her treats. Any questions, please put them in the comments. And Pablo is not around today, so we're gonna give her a couple more. Here you go, baby girl. So let's get started. We are in my little farm outfit to do some stretching, and Molly's gonna be here and entertain us, right, Mom? You want more? All right, so we're gonna get interrupted quite a bit, but she is making some noise because she wants attention. So she got bit by a bee yesterday on her chest, so she's just a little I don't want to say frightened, but she's just kind of, you can't pet her in that little area on her chest. Hey, Mom. Good girl. Ooh, here you go, baby. With those lips. All right, so let's start with a little stretching, and we're gonna move forward. And we're just gonna do some simple stretching on today. And we're gonna raise it up high and down. You want more carrots? She loves her treats. Okay, so again, 1, and we're gonna come down, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and down. Right, Mom? So Molly's a quarter horse. She was a rescue horse. We got her like 7 or I think it's 7, 8 years ago. We had 2 horses on the farm, but one of them passed away after a year after we rescued her. I don't know exactly what happened, but when we brought the vet over, her whole abdomen was swollen, and I remember it was just a rainy day, and it was thundering and lightning, and it was pouring, and she was on the floor out over there, and Molly was over there, and we had to put her down, right, Mom? And her name was Malika, but there you go. And Molly, she was a lot more rough around the edges, as we could say. Yeah, she used to buck a lot, and now she's pretty good. She loves her pens. When we try to take her out, she doesn't like leaving them, but she's a rescue. So let's do some stretching. It's a beautiful day, and I just wanted to be here and show you Molly. And I know, like, we used to always have her in video, but we're really grateful that she can be here today. And so Like I said, we're just gonna do a slow movement today. We're gonna just focus on Molly. Any questions, just put them in the comment. And thank you for subscribing. Thank you for following. And let's do some breathing. That's Molly. Knock, knock. Okay, Mom. We got 2 more carrots left. So let's just focus. It's going to be hard to do that while we have Molly. Right, Mal? Okay. Excuse me, her lips. That was... Oh, we're going to bring it down. And reach up. And reach down. And stretch. Give me one. All right. Hey, Mom. You want treats? All right, we're back. Sorry, we had to adjust the camera a little bit. Let's go into downward dog. And up. And stretch. You want more? We're going to roll it up. And kiss. Give me a kiss. Give kisses. And you get more treats. What a good girl. She does listen really well. I can't tell you how stunning it is out today. No, you had plenty. She had like 8 carrots. So, anyway, but we're happy to be here. We just wanted to come on here and say hi to everybody. Almost took my nose there. Yeah. Oh, you almost dropped it, huh? All right. Let's go into plank. Let's hold it. Stretch. Bend our calves. Stretch it out. Downward dog. We're going to bring this leg in. And we're going to come down and reach into warrior. All right. And we're going to stretch it. Let's stretch out that calf. Molly, you got one more. Okay. And we're going to stretch there. And we're going to lean in and down. Back. All right, we're going to do one more. We're going to lean in. Flatten your foot out in the back. Bring it back. And lean forward. And up. And down. Up. And down. And we're going to go into cat-cow. And we're going to raise it up. And down. Breathe in. And there we go. So we are really happy that you got to join us today on the farm. And Molly's just a beauty. Yeah, we love her. And she looks good. She had a bath. So anyway, I just want you all to know, thank you for liking and subscribing. And yeah, last video I needed to put some little snippets in between because I didn't want to get flagged. So I am here, I'm present, and I'm just so happy that you're all here following me and subscribing. And thank you again. And if you're new, please follow us. Molly says so. Check out all my links and yep. And I just also have to say that the video that I had up is going to be on my Patreon channel, so that's going to be uncensored, and Molly is just wants more attention. So I'm going to have to get into the pen with her and go see what's going to happen. So anyway, thanks again, everybody. I'll see you later. Just wanted to get this in and say hi. Bye.